no.
The hunter is practicing his lethal moves, but unfortunately for him, the lunch seems to have played dead already. Genius. This majestic husky has clearly forgotten how to be a dog and is now practicing his best operatic solo. The puppy barked once and the tiny kitten decided to file for emotional damages and immediate retirement today. This tiny golden fluff is clearly auditioning for the role of a hyperactive dust bunny.
Hey.
It starts as a blurry streak of chaos across the polished floor before pausing to contemplate its next mischievous move against the furniture. Watching this miniature creature navigate a world of giant wooden carvings and plush bananas is the wholesome content we all need. Stay tuned.
With feedback.
Look at this scraggly little soot sprite. He went from a wet floor mop to a very confused and tiny forest goblin. Living with a void means accepting that your furniture is just a series of expensive launch pads for a creature who thinks they are a mystical forest panther. One minute he is blending into the shadows of his neon jungle and the next he is staring into your soul from a porthole. Honestly, I just pay the rent while the cat runs the psychedelic disco.
Hoy no me molesten que ando en mi día de relajación, mis cielas,
Behold the majestic cloud potato in its natural habitat as it navigates the treacherous mahogany plains of the living room furniture. This tiny white fluff ball appears to be roughly 90% cotton candy and 10% pure unadulterated chaos.
Đó, siêu lùng đó nha, siêu lùng luôn, mỏ ngắn siêu lùng. Nhưng mà thực tế nó đẹp hơn trong video nhiều, lùng xíu à, đó. Nó mặt tròn xe, đó. Siêu lùng luôn. Đấy đó. Như con bông luôn.
Jula hľadá Samsung. Na Samsung. Dievča moje, musím to oprieť hen tam. Neviem, ako to urobím. Gazda to preniesol. No, máme čo robiť v tomto malom dome. Čo? Ela. To není tvoja krabička. To není tvoja krabička. Mojo, ahoj, drndulka. Musím aj Lilinku privítať. Viem.
blueberry.
Staring directly into your soul with my mismatched eyes and tiny paws. Is it world domination today? Yes, I think it is.
Welcome to karantina. Aduh, sampai kapan gue joget begini? Liga udah macam slide. Bayar kagak, capek doang ini mah. Orang pemirsa, ada ini. Emang konsepnya disuruh seksi. Padahal kan gue konsepnya gemoy.
Behold the domestic hierarchy in 5 acts. It begins with a tender grooming session that looks like true feline love. Then the mood shifts as the tabby realizes personal space is a myth. By the end, the tortie is basically wearing her sibling like a scarf. One cat is questioning every life choice while the other has absolutely zero regrets about this.
Ended up on your For You page, or if somebody sent this to you, there's a message you need to hear.
Watching this chaotic crew is like witnessing a tiny heist where nobody knows the plan. Mom has clearly resigned from parenting today while her caffeinated kittens parkour off the furniture and walls. Meet the dynamic duo Jerry, the yellow Labrador, and his spunky white sidekick. These two are living their absolute best lives, from sunset strolls on the open road to professional napping sessions on the big bed. Jerry clearly believes he is the undisputed king of the blue velvet armchair, while his smaller companion acts as the vigilant lookout for any incoming snacks. Whether they are squeezed together in the car or sprawled across the floor tiles, they prove that true friendship means never having personal space.
मन जाएंगी तुमसे बेहतर तुमसे प्यारा यारा को
Staring at the mirror like a total glitch in the system because that fuzzy intruder is exactly as confused as I am right now.